Hello there. So for this video, let's talk about how to get that hairpin skin in Fortnite. Now for that specific skin, there is going to be a catch for that one. Even though you go to shop right there, you will not find that specific skin. You're going to find the featured skin like Son Goku and the Dragon Balls, Eva, and the works, especially for Fantastic Four, you can find it here. However, for that specific hairpin skin, you cannot find it. So how to get that skin specifically? There should be a Rocket League game involved. So basically you just have to install that game and follow this on-screen instructions. This one's right here. So if you have your Rocket League a game already, this right here, the last one, get 15 saves or epic saves in online matches during summer road trip, will get you that hairpin skin. So for this one, it doesn't really say that you're gonna get the hairpin skin, right? You're gonna get the Hawaiian shirt connoisseur. But I guarantee you that you're gonna get that hairpin skin if you get 15 save or epic saves or online matches during the summer road trip in Rocket League. It's gonna be easy as that. Just get 15 of those and then log back to Fortnite, check your locker, and you're gonna see that hairpin skin right there waiting for you.